Hey, it's Ryan here with Parts Doctor. We're going to show you how to replace the French hinge on the Samsung refrigerator. We're going to need a few different tools for the job. We'll leave them listed in the description below. Let's get started. For this repair, we'll need to unplug or disconnect power to the refrigerator. First, we'll need to flip open the French assembly to access these two screws. Remove the Phillips screws. Next, tap on the bottom of the French assembly to release the French hinges from the door. Be careful as the French assembly will still be connected by a wire. Next, we'll need to remove the wire from the door and disconnect the electrical plug. To remove the French case cap, use a screwdriver or putty knife to pry up the cap. Now lift up to remove the cap. To remove the top French hinge, you can simply rotate it up and slide it out to remove it. The bottom French hinge is attached by a spring and it'll require some extra steps to remove it. First, using a flat blade screwdriver, you'll need to pry at these points. With the locking clips released, you can now separate the two halves. Next, remove the two styrofoam pieces simply by lifting them out. Next, rotate the French hinge into this position, then you can remove the spring. You can simply rotate it up and slide it out to remove it. If you have a bad French hinge and you need to purchase a new one, you can check out our website, partsdoctor.com. We'll leave a link in the description below. You'll want to make sure that you're searching with the model number from the tag on your refrigerator to make sure you're getting the correct part. To reinstall the upper French hinge, you'll align the slot and push it into place. For the bottom French hinge, you'll align the slot and push it into place. Rotate the hinge and then insert the spring into the hole. Next, reinstall the foam. The smaller piece can simply slide into place. With the larger piece of foam, you'll need to align this notch with the wire and then push it into place. With the foam installed, we can flip the two pieces together, align them, and snap them into place. To reinstall the French case cap, align the bottom tab, and then push the top of it to snap it into place. For the bottom cap, you'll first need to slide the hinge up, then insert the tab and push down to snap into place. To reinstall the French assembly, we'll need to start by plugging in the electrical plug and tucking the wires into the door. With the wires tucked away, you can align the French hinges and push down. Now reinstall the two Phillips screws. So that's it for this repair. If you have any tips or tricks of your own, let us know in the comments below.